Are you saying hi to the sheep? Yeah. Say hi, sheep. Hi, sheep.
Hey! Coffee! Go!
Oh, wait, Noah, wait.
Okay,
Back up.
we can now go in. Come on, guys. Let's go.
Let's go check out the sheep.
Okay, we have 2 surprises for you, Noah and Aaliyah. 2 surprises. Guess what it is?
Wait.
Daddy has to. Okay, tell us, Daddy.
Let's give them some treats so they're happy. Wait, Noah, wait.
Wait.
He will push you. Noah, wait. Here,
Okay,
get
how
in there.
about maybe?
Wait.
Look at the
Aaliyah,
babies.
Aaliyah,
Wait, Aaliyah.
Wait,
Look at the babies.
Here, wait, Aaliyah, wait.
Wait, they're sheeps, right, baby?
Yeah.
Oh, look at the babies. Aaliyah, be careful, please.
Noah,
Aaliyah,
just put it on the ground.
Aaliyah,
Put it
be
on the ground.
gentle, though.
Like that. Put it on the
Baby,
ground.
be gentle. Gentle.
Here.
Okay, gentle, Aaliyah, okay?
No, wait. Sit right here. Sit down. Noah,
Gentle.
Aaliyah, sit down. Okay, sit down right here.
Oh, baby, she doesn't want them
Gentle,
anymore, or
gentle,
what?
Gentle.
Does she
She's
not
just
want them?
protective. She's protective.
Oh.
Say hi, little guy. Say hi. Gentle. Very gentle. Noah. Very gentle. We have to
Yeah,
be very
gentle.
gentle. They were born only 24 hours ago. Don't pull. Be nice.
Be
Don't
nice.
cover his eyes. Okay, let's put this one down.
This one?
Yeah.
Noah.
Okay, stand up. Wait. Gentle.
Gentle, Aaliyah. Noah.
Just pet him.
Gentle.
Okay, pet him. Be nice. Just pet him. Just pet. Aaliyah, stand up. Just pet.
Yeah.
Look, stand up. Right here, look. Look at that. Just pet. Just like that. Just pet.
Yeah, so they
No,
have
don't
2
move.
babies. Like, babe, why is the mom not eating?
They're probably not hungry then. No, leave that alone. That's it. That's their mineral block. No,
So
don't
yeah,
hold
this
them.
is
Don't
our
hold them.
life, guys.
Aaliyah, he's too little.
And then these are the goats.
Noah, come
over
here.
You gotta be gentle, okay? Nice and gentle. Nice and
Okay, Aaliyah,
Come on. Are we gonna feed the goats, Noah?
give it to him.
Okay, feed the goats.
Free.
Come on, Noah. Feed this goat. Over here.
I guess they don't like broccoli.
Huh. They don't like
Maybe
it.
because you cooked it. They think
Oh,
something wrong
maybe.
with it.
Yeah.
Jeffrey likes his carrots though.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, I think I'm getting ants.
We'll stand in it.
Yeah.
Hey, look, there's bees.
There's bees.
Come here, right now. Come here.
Let's take a picture. Maybe you hold it. Okay. Now mommy can go in there. There, babe. Okay. The sunset is so beautiful, babe. Nice. My little family. Everybody smile.
Say cheese. Look, mommy.
Yeah, the sunset. That's the sunset. Yeah. Woo! Where are we going? Let's go feed the chickens and the goats.
Come on inside. Hey, Aliyah, come over here.
Come on, Aliyah. Noah, let's go. Come on, Noah. Let's go feed the chickens. Come on. Oh, Aliyah, you got one. So cute. You like your chickens, Aliyah? Yeah? Do you like your chicken? Okay, come on. Let's go with Daddy. Let's go feed them. Let's go feed the chickens. Come on. Okay, we're gonna feed the chickens. Hey, hey, Ali, Noah, don't do that. Hey, Noah, no, 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 no. No, we don't do that, please. Noah, what are you doing? Noah? Okay, let's feed the chickens. Okay, let's go to the restroom, Aliyah, then.
Here we go. Feed the chickens.
Wow. You guys. Okay, let's go.